Welcome to QniBot.com. In this video, we will instruct you to use Xprofiler bot. This bug-added Xprofiler bot can have users update avatar, header, bio, gender, website, and location for bug X profiles automatically. Moreover, users can also change name, usernames, and password for multiple X accounts simultaneously. Also, users can turn on 2FA for bug X accounts automatically. Especially, you can control multiple tabs manually with the manual control function. After downloading the software in WinFormat format like this, you right-click on this file, then choose Extract here. Then you will see a folder called Xprofiler like this. Open this folder, then double-click on this file to install the software. This is the interface of Xprofiler bot. There are several basic settings that you need to set up before running any function of this bot. First, you click on General Settings. Then you will see all sections that you need to set up in these settings. The first one is License Key section. You back to your QniBot account. In the row of this software, Xprofiler, you will see the key in key column. To use the key, you click on Copy here. Then click OK. Next, you paste the copy license into this section. Next, run session save the number of times that the bot will run successfully, then stop automatically. If you leave this session at the default like this, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. If you put 100 here, the software will stop automatically after running 100 times successfully. Come to track section. This is the number of tabs or windows that the bot will run at the same time. For example, if you put 5 here, the bot will open 5 windows, launching 5 X accounts, and run simultaneously. Remember to put the number of threads that complies with your computer configuration. The stronger your computer is, the more threads that you can run. Next, Cookies folder. You need to create a new folder named Cookies. Then copy the path and paste it into the Cookies folder section here. The software will save the cookies and profiles of X accounts in this imported Cookies folder. Therefore, in the next run, the bot can load these cookies to run without logging into the X accounts again. Similarly, at Data folder section, you create a new folder named Data. Copy and paste it into the Data folder section. Next is User Agent section. When you buy the Xprofiler software, we will provide you with a link to download this User Agent file. I downloaded this file already here. So you need to click on this button. Then upload the downloaded User Agent file. Next is Restore Cookie section. In case you want to restore cookie, you select Yes here. Otherwise, you select No. Next, Capture.Guru key section. You need to visit the link that we provide in the text tutorial. Then create an account, top up your account, and copy and paste the Capture.Guru key into the section. For example, this is my Capture.Guru key. Next, Save Time section. This session saves the range of time in millisecond units. that you want a bot to rest after finishing its thread. For example, if you put 20,000 and 30,000 into minimum value and maximum value session like this, the bots will rest for 20 seconds to 30 seconds after completing each thread. After finishing all sessions here, you click on Accounts and Proxy to import Accounts and Proxy. To import as account, you click on this icon Data. Then you will see the Database Manager dialog box here. You can import as accounts in two ways. The first way is you import accounts manually. You click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you will see the group name and group description section here. You need to enter the group name only. For example, I enter tutorial. Then click OK to create a group. You will see the tutorial group is created here. Click on this group, then click on this icon. Select Add Item. Then you can enter the information of each X account into this dialog box. First is the username. For example, this is my X account username. Next is the password of X account. Next, to FA session, you can leave this session blank if you don't have this one, or you can turn on to FA function of this bot. The bots will fill in this session automatically for you. Next, with for session proxy bot, proxy username and proxy password, you need to enter these sessions in case you select from data a proxy source session. We will instruct you later about the proxy. In this case, I will import proxy too. For example, this is my proxy. Next is the bot. Next is proxy username, if any, and proxy password. Next, you enter the email address that you used to create the X account. Next is the password of this email. Next is the recovery email of this email. Next is the phone, if any. You can leave this session blank. With the session follower following meter and status, the bots will fill in these fields automatically after running functions. Finally, you click OK. Then you can see the account information was imported to this group tutorial. Similarly, you can click on this icon, click on Add Item, and add another account into this dialog box. Another way for you to import X accounts is creating a text file. Name it as X accounts. Then you need to import these parameters of X account into this text file. First is the username. Then you separate these parameters by a comma, password, then comma 2FA. If you don't have 2FA, just leave a comma here. Next, with proxy bot, proxy user, and proxy password, you enter this information in case you select from data at proxy start session. Otherwise, you can leave for a comma here instead. Now I will enter the proxy information here. Proxy, then comma bot, or you can use a colon here. Then comma proxy user, comma proxy password. Next, you enter the email address that you used to create this X account. And comma the password of this email, comma the recovery email of this email, with the remaining parameters you can leave a comma like this. Similarly, you can import hundreds to thousands X account into this text file. Then click here to save. Next, you click on Convert here. Select Import CSV. Click on this icon. Then upload the created text file of X accounts. Click OK. Then you can see the account's information has been imported into the Database Manager dialog box with the group name is CSV. You click on this icon to change the group name to remember easily.